Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education, the 7 habits of high-performing students. These 7 habits will propel students towards academic success at any level. Now, let's take a look at the first habit for success for students, which is to limit distractions. You should never split your attention during study or homework assignments. Stay focused on the task at hand. Some of the obnoxious distractors include those headphones. Another obvious distractor is the cell phone. Put your cell phone away. Even something like having the TV will cause a distraction. And let your friends know not to bother you during your study or your homework. On to number 2, which is to stay organized. You must be able to maximize your time in order to maximize your efficiency. Basically, you need to create a schedule, whether it be through a daily planner or an electronic calendar. Even if you don't accomplish anything, it's better to have one than not to have one. And keep your important papers in one place. Within that space, further organize your belongings. Next up, number 3, which is to ask for help. You don't know everything and you never will. Don't be embarrassed. You'll need help to reach your goals. If there is something that you don't understand, then simply ask a question. Teachers and professors are getting paid just to answer your questions. So ask them. Build a dialogue through these to enhance your understanding of the content. Next on the list, perhaps the most important, is to have a gritty work ethic. Grit is the element that will drive students towards success in the classroom and in life for that matter. Students with grit make mistakes like everyone else. However, they are motivated by those mistakes to improve and to try again and again and again, all the way until they get it right. Continuing on, another habit of high-performing students is that they take good notes. And that means students should take notes actively. Some methods include outlining, circling key concepts, webbing, etc. Have a notebook or a section for each subject. Date your notes. Write questions to ask the teacher later on. Nowadays, students are taking notes electronically, but the upside is that it's quicker to type. And let's remember, once you've taken your notes, be sure to review and study them as well. Otherwise, what's the point? Getting towards the end, the next habit is to not procrastinate. Cramming before an exam is not an effective method of preparation. Not all things get done on the last day. The more and more you put things off, the more and more they'll pile up for you. Also, procrastination brings a lot of stress. Don't put all that pressure on yourself. Most teachers and professors give more than enough time to prepare for an exam, so use that time wisely. And the last habit of high-performing students on the list is to form a study group. Group work allows you to learn from others and to learn by teaching others. Groups are also a form of support during stressful studying. I cannot stress enough how important it is to choose the right members of a study group. You want someone who is there to learn and succeed. These group members quickly become your friends, and the right type of friend you want to make. Right now, I want to say thank you for your time. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video,